Well, everybody, I am back. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project with the Levoit. I hope I'm saying that right. It sounds French. The water filter pitcher. Not a lot I can say about a water filter pitcher except that it's working well for us after, what do we got left in here? 13 days left. So I've had this for quite a while under real-world use. And I can tell you, honestly, that I've been using the water. I'm going to fill it up and drink that down. Be back in a minute here. Oh, it's cooled. The thing about this, I've been using it a lot. It comes straight out of the well. And it's cold and refreshing on a hot summer day. It's got to be like 76 degrees out there today. And to have a cold drink of water straight out of the well, oh, it's nice. All done. Refreshing, so refreshing. The advantage of this is it's so fast that your water will still be cold by the time it's filtered into the bottom. Now, as long as you let it filter out past the, filters through completely, as long as it's under this line, you aren't going to get any dirty water into your cup. It's got an angled pour spout, and it's only going to pour the clean water into your cup. As again, I keep the water level down below here somewhere, which is enough. This has been serving us. My family, me and Melanie and Michelle, 3 people, have been drinking off this on constantly, daily, for I guess going on 45 days now. And we love it. It tastes fresh and sweet. And yes, I need more water because it's hot out there and I've been out all day. I've been outside all day. And this cold water is so refreshing. As they say, when they say it tastes sweet, I didn't know what they're talking about. But it does. It tastes clean and fresh and sweet. We have a lot of deposits in our water. We have a lot of metals and like iron and a bunch of other things. Nothing harmful to you, but it adds flavor and an odd smell. This takes it out and gives you very fresh, clean tasting water left behind. Also, I have taken this to the office where I work, and actually I use it there more than here. This goes where I go. That's why I still have the box. The reason being that this takes out chlorine. And yes, it does, because when I pour water out of the tap at work, I smell chlorine. And when I filter it through here, it tastes good. It's clean. So it definitely is doing its job. So I would definitely recommend the Levoit water filter. And because it does 60 days to a filter, it is definitely going to work out well. And that's 2 months in between purchasing filter cartridges. So that's good. Not a lot more I can say. I like the fact that you can open up the lid here for refilling. You don't have to take the thing apart. You don't have to pry this part off at all. Flip it up, refill it. I like that a lot. That's really convenient. So go on and check it out, guys. Links down below. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and a water filter that does work. And I'm probably going to empty that before I'm done. When I'm done with the camera here, and refill it. And the great thing is, it doesn't take long to fill back up. Talk to y'all later.